Hi, my honeybees. My name is Priya. I'm from Bihar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 6 of this series where I share just two simple things to improve our English. So today I'm gonna talking about that what is there is one channel that helped me so much when I was a beginner in this language, and it is super good. I have talked about it earlier in my videos, but I'm going to tell you again in this video. So there is one channel that helped me a lot, which is Lovebuster. Go to the go to the YouTube and search Lovebuster channel. Here you will find some videos, some English videos that you can watch. Say that you can watch. But let me tell you one more thing. These videos are a little romantic kind of videos. I used to watch it because I want to feel good. I don't want to feel bored while watching these kind of videos, while watching English videos. So I chose this channel to watch and learn English. And it's very important to to surround yourself with English language so that you can listen more and more and repeat some sentences more and more. So I chose this channel. And if you are 15 plus, then you can watch this channel, then you can watch their videos. So I have chosen one video. This is CEO falls for migrant beauty. So when you play these the videos, all the seat is taken. Take it. I don't need your money, jerk. So first you have to watch this video without pausing it. Just understand the concept. What is in this video? Just understand the story. And then again you have to watch it again. Like the second the this like for the second time you have to watch it, but you have to write some sentences that you can use in daily conversation. Yes, I used to do it like very most of the times because I wanted something to those kind of sentences that I don't know and I can use, like aren't you, like these kind of sentences. I don't need your money, jerk. Well, you are getting it anyway. So, so the first thing today you have to do is watch these videos. I will give the link of this video in the description box, or the channel. The name of the channel is during periods. Wait. The name of this channel is Love Buster. As you can see, Love Buster. Fine. So first you have to watch this video, and then you have to re-watch it, and then take out your notebook and write some these kind of sentences. I have written my sentences that I can use. See, CEO falls for migrant beauty. That was the title of this video, and I have written some sentences. Don't worry, I will give it in the description as PDF. What is this? Oh, I just found something. This my friend, my friend Ravi gave me this. He handwritten it. Oh gosh, this is so good. I secretly think of a future with you. He is just my friend. Yes. And he ghosted me. He ghosted me like for no reason. And then he came back उसको फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसको माफ कर दिया. I have written something about him. Wait, let me show you. I don't know why I'm telling this with you, I don't know why I'm sharing with you guys, but wait. So this is what I have written in my notebook. What is this? I used to write these kind of sentences. So I have written, yesterday I met one of my friends, Ravi. We hadn't seen each other in almost 2 years because he had ghosted me for some reason. He took me to a coffee shop and bought me a coffee and a pastry. It was amazing. I really liked how kind and thoughtful he was. I have never been treated so nicely by anyone before. There was a moment when he went to a grocery shop and bought me a dairy milk chocolate and a Kinder Joy. Oh my god, it's truly amazing. Everyone should learn how to treat a girl the way he does. एक चॉकलेट और एक किंडर जॉय से sorry I ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए but he bought me. I had never treated by someone like that. So when I was learning English, I used to write these kind of situation that happened in my life, moments that happened in my life. I used to write it, and then I asked I used to ask ChatGPT how can I improve it, like find my mistakes, and then I used to rewrite it in like the way ChatGPT gave me. See, this is what I written, and then I found my mistakes, and then एक मिनट छी मैं tomorrow को मतलब yesterday को tomorrow लिखती थी. Oh God. So this is how bad was my English. जनवरी में ही लिखा होगा मैंने. Not this January, but the previous January, January 2025. See how bad I was at English. How bad. But anyways, you have to write these kind of, what is this? Nothing. No, nothing. So you have to write these kind of sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. Fine. See, see. So today's task is also very simple. Watch English videos, and you can watch English videos from this channel, which is Lovebuster, and choose any video and then watch it and then rewatch it, but you have to write some sentences. First thing you have to do today is watch an English video, and the second thing you have to do, write some sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. That's it for today's task. And this is my notebook when I was learning English. I have written everything. Like, see, I used to practice these, like, this is the first page. I used to practice this kind of some special structure. See, and then some sentences that I can use, and then some moments, and then I used to write grammar. Yeah, I used to do grammar exercises on my own, and then I used to correct it. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. And see, whenever whenever I uh, you know at that time whenever I watch something in English, I write down that what I watched. Like, see, you can read it. Wait, let me read it for you. No. Wow, the video will go too long. See, pause it and read it. And what is this? Since my childhood, it has been my dream to speak fluently in English. I love when somebody talk in English. I am practicing my English. I'm working on it. I wish I would be fluent in English. I love this language. I want to go to another. I want to go to another. Another के बाद country छूट गया. I want to go to another. That is why I have to learn English. I want to go to another country. That is why I have to learn English. My English is not that much good just because I procrastinate too much. Yes, yes, I was this type of a girl. I delay all my shorts when somebody speaks in English. I frequently fall for that guy. I don't know why. I thought I will speak fluent in English within 2 or 3 months, but I didn't just because I don't practice too much. So these are the thoughts when, especially when you're a beginner, these are the thoughts come to your mind literally for no reason. And then I used to learn some these kind of words: queer, vendor, appreciate, gaudy, betray. And the tense, the most hard exercise of grammar, the most hard concept of grammar, tense. मेरे को टेंस समझ में ही नहीं आता था, but I practiced, I practiced, I practiced too much, and then I wrote this. Pause, and you can just, this is very helpful. See, this is very helpful. Very helpful, I'm telling you. Take screenshot quickly. Done? Fine. So yeah, I cannot show you my whole notebook. What is this? So yeah, so this is how I was when I was a beginner. So wait, मैं दूसरे topic पे ही आ गए. So today's task is you have to watch one English video, and then you have to, so the second thing you have to do is write down the sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. By the way, I'm coming live tomorrow at 1, not tomorrow, but this day on 18th March 2026 at 1 p.m. So be there, okay? Be there or be boring, period. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Tomorrow at 9 p.m. Same.